Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Newfoundland and Labrador issues 108 immigration invitations, June 2026 update. There is another important provincial nominee program update from Canada. The province of Newfoundland and Labrador has conducted a new immigration draw, inviting 108 candidates through its two provincial immigration pathways. Let's take a look at the details. 108 invitations issued. On 10 June 2026, Newfoundland and Labrador held its latest immigration draw. A total of 108 invitations to apply were issued through two immigration programs, 89 invitations through the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program, NLPNP, 19 invitations through the Atlantic Immigration Program, AIP. This was the province's latest invitation round under its new Expression of Interest (EOI) system. How does the new system work? Newfoundland and Labrador now uses an Expression of Interest (EOI) system to select immigration candidates. Most applicants must first obtain an employer invite code from their employer before submitting an expression of interest through the province's online immigration accelerator system. The province then selects candidates based on its current labor market needs and the information provided in their EOI profile. Who is selected? Candidates are assessed based on several factors, including skills and qualifications, work experience, education, language ability, employment opportunities in Newfoundland and Labrador, current labor market priorities. This approach helps the province invite candidates who are most likely to fill labor shortages and contribute to the local economy. About the immigration programs. The Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program, NLPNP, allows the province to nominate eligible skilled workers, international graduates, entrepreneurs, and other qualified applicants for permanent residence. The Atlantic Immigration Program, AIP, is an employer-driven pathway that helps designated employers recruit skilled foreign workers and eligible international graduates to fill labor shortages across Atlantic Canada. What this means for applicants. This latest draw shows that Newfoundland and Labrador continues to actively invite skilled workers through both the NLPNP and the Atlantic Immigration Program. If you're interested in immigrating to Newfoundland and Labrador, creating an expression of interest and ensuring your profile is complete may improve your chances of receiving an invitation in future draws. Applicants should also make sure they meet all eligibility requirements and, where required, obtain an employer invite code before submitting their expression of interest. Final update. Newfoundland and Labrador has issued 108 invitations in its latest immigration draw held on 10 June 2026. The invitations included 89 through the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program, 19 through the Atlantic Immigration Program. The province continues using its Expression of Interest system to select candidates who can meet labor market needs and support economic growth across Newfoundland and Labrador. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.